Hey everybody, so I got one of these big pocket door organizers that just goes over the door for stuffed animals, toys, or just anything you need to organize. I just recently moved into a house a third of the size, so storage and organizing has been a lot of fun. These are super easy to use. They don't take much effort to put them together. Now you do have to put the rods in so they are a bit more stable. And this one is a pretty large pocket holder. All right, so each pole is attached. You just need to clip it together. And then we just have to put it into these little inserts that are on the back of this pocket and then put the Velcro back on. And now that will hold it straight. And repeat that to all of them. Now, once you have all the rods on, it's going to be a lot more durable and it's going to stay on your door a lot better. Then after that, you just have the hooks and that's it. Pretty easy to put this together. Now I'll go ahead and put this on a bedroom door, put some toys in it, and just do a quick demonstration. All right, so I got it set up on a door, and I got a few things in it. Don't have a lot of toys unpacked yet, so not a lot for me to really put into the pockets right now. But overall, this is one of the best over-the-door hangers that I've gotten. It's the largest one that I've gotten as well. And when they say big pocket, they're not lying. These are really, really big pockets. I mean, look at these. I could even put like my large, these ones are mine. I call them avocado no, because I tell my kids it's a no. But yeah, these are gifts that I had. So some larger stuffed animals. And they fit just fine with plenty of room left over. So you could use this to put a bunch of stuffies. You could fill it up with like Beanie Babies, little toys. I got little plastic toys in here. It holds on pretty well. It will withstand a decent amount of weight. And this will keep a lot of toys off your floor. If you are lacking storage space, get one of these for every room. Heck, you can get one for your bathroom door, your closet door, every door. I mean, you can fit a lot of stuff in these, and it will help a lot with organization. Anyway, hopefully my quick demonstration gives you a decent idea what to expect with this one, and if it's one that you'd like. They also have different colors as well. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.